Hi guys, welcome back to Aguirre's Kitchen. Today I will be bringing you a cinnamon swirl bread, and we will be making it with a cake mix. And here are the ingredients. We will be needing a box of yellow or vanilla cake mix, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And and this pan, which is a 9x5. What we're gonna do here, we're actually gonna add the cake mix in here, and then I'm going to add the all-purpose flour. All the ingredients will be also under the description box of this video, so you can go check it out after the video. And we will be mixing these two flours together. Since I did not sift it, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give it a little bit of swirls with the beater, just so it'll air out a little bit, or you can just do it with a whisk, or you can also sift it. Okay, this will make the bread a little bit more fluffy and more delicious. Let me just tell you that this bread is easy, fast, and delicious. Please go ahead and make it. You will not regret it. It's awesome, like seriously awesome. I'm gonna take this opportunity to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Activate the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you guys can come and see what's up with this channel. Okay, so here we go. Like I said, this is an easy recipe. What you're gonna do is just add everything at the same time, like together, not one step first or the eggs first or the sugar. No, right here what you see is I'm adding the flour. And then this is where I'm whisking it, like, well, not whisking it, beating it just to get more air into the flour. Now we're gonna add in slow, in the level, I think I had it in 2. I add the eggs. Now I'm going to add the milk. And then we add the oil. Easy peasy, fast. And you'll have bread, cinnamon swirl bread in no time. You can also add walnuts to that mixture you see there with the cinnamon, which I didn't at this time because I was making this for somebody that didn't like walnuts. So yes, but I myself prefer with walnuts. So you can add a cup of walnuts to that cinnamon, to the cinnamon mixture. Okay, so here we're gonna scrape the bottom of the bowl. And right here, I already mixed for maybe like 30 seconds probably. So we have to clean the bottom of the bowl in order for we don't get those little, balls of flour and the batter gets smooth. Now I'm going to keep mixing it for exactly 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. No, nothing more, nothing less. We don't want to overbeat it. But yes, 2 minutes. And again, if you like walnuts, go ahead and add a cup of walnuts, chopped walnuts, into the cinnamon and sugar mixture. You're not gonna regret it. It's delicious. But if you don't like walnuts, you can omit that part. But I omitted it here because, like I said, it was for somebody that didn't like walnuts. But I myself love it with the walnuts. It's delicious, guys. You have to make it, like, seriously make it, and then let me know. You can go to my Facebook page or group in Aguirre's Kitchen and Vlogs, or Aguirre's Kitchen Martita, or on my personal Facebook, Aguirre's Kitchen, just like that. And add me. And if I can't add you because Facebook sometimes doesn't let me add people no more, go ahead and click the follow and follow me. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter with the same name. So here we go. Like I said, 2 minutes exactly. We're gonna clean the beater, and then we're gonna spray our pan with non-stick spray so our bread doesn't stick. And here we go. I don't know what I'm waiting for here, but yeah, bear with me. Just bear with me. I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. You will be seeing these videos double in my channel because I will be doing them in Spanish and English, which is double my work, but it's okay. If not, I'll just put Spanish subtitles or something, but yeah, you'll probably see double. That's if you don't see enough of me. So here we go with the pan. Come on, come on. Again, guys, make this recipe and share your recipes on my Facebook. And you can also tag me. Here we go, look. This is a 9x5 bread pan or loaf pan. And we're just gonna spray it lightly. Supposedly it's lightly, but it doesn't matter. Everything will be good. I just don't want to have my bread stick to my pan. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna add half of the mixture. Okay, half of the mixture. And then we're gonna add the cinnamon and sugar mixture, which I did not show you how to put it together, but I'm pretty sure you know how to put sugar and cinnamon together. We're gonna sprinkle it around, and if it had walnuts, obviously you would do it with your hands and like spread it all over so the whole bread can get the same amount of walnuts. But here, since I didn't put walnuts, I just like sprinkled it over. Now we're gonna add the rest of the batter. I also have another version of this bread, which is from scratch, but that one comes more like a bread kind of bread. You know what I mean? Not a cakey filling. It's more like a bread, a hollow bread. It's really, really delicious. And this, I mean, you can have it in no time again. We're gonna put it, by this time you have to have a preheated oven of 350 degrees. So we're gonna put this mixture in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Yes, we add more of this on top. And again, if you had walnuts, you just like will put it around with your hands or your fingers, better yet. And this goes into the oven, 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. So here all I'm doing is swirling the cinnamon and the sugar around. Don't do it too much. Okay, don't do it too much because then we'll have a mess on our hands. Yes, this worked better than the other red spatula I had. I usually do it with this little skewer. I don't know why I was using that thing. But anyways, you can do it with a knife, a fork, whatever. Now we put it in the oven again for 350. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just want you to make sure. 350, 45 to 50 minutes, and voila! You have your cinnamon bread for breakfast. And well, that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please share. I would love you guys to share this with your friends and family. And we'll see you in our next video. This is your friend Martita. Love you. Bye-bye.